When the search for love feels arduous and tough, and finding someone you like becomes rough, trust in Allah's wisdom, in His divine plan. In times of longing, have faith in Allah's plan. For His timing is perfect and love will come to you when it can. When it's hard to find someone you like, remember Allah's decree, for He will bring the one who's meant to be. The road to love may be filled with trials, but Allah's wisdom surpasses all trials. When loneliness embraces your heart, trust in Allah's power to guide your path and grant you a fresh start. In the midst of uncertainty, surrender to Allah's will, for His decision brings blessings that fulfill. Have patience and trust in Allah's timing, for He will bring forth the love that's truly binding. Allah's decision is a gift of grace, leading you to a love that will forever embrace. When the search for love feels tough and long, have faith that Allah's decree is never wrong. In the depths of despair, Allah's decision is the answer to your prayer. When you can't find someone you like, rely on Allah's wisdom to ignite the love you'll strike. Allah's plan is beyond what you can foresee. His decision will unveil the love meant to be. When you're lost in the quest for love's embrace, Allah's decision will guide you to the perfect place. In the face of doubt, cling to Allah's decree, for His decision will bring the love that's meant to be. When it's challenging to find someone to adore, trust in Allah's choice and you'll find love's open door.